Okay, we're going to do module number 3, Basic Navigation 2. Going to be 12 activities. Steering 100s for point turns, lower values will make it curve. Let's run it with 20. Too tight. Change it to 10. Check my recording again. Alright, next activity. Sorry, I was checking to verify his recording. Alright, to the left. You always come up here. If you ever forget what you just did, which happens to me a lot, so I'm looking at this thing and I'm like, I have no earthly idea how to do this thing. Come up to Coder Z, go back to the last mission and look at it. It's still got your old program there, and you're all set. So just feel free to look at it. It doesn't cost you anything, just a few seconds. Alright, so drive power would save 100, and our steering was less than 100. Alright, I'm coming back. Come over here, drive power. Oop. Drop and drag. Need to set steering. Remember to come get your data point. So that was 100. This was when I went to the. Let's just check it. I think we had 10. See what we get. Wrong way. Alright. Let's try negative 10. It's okay to make a mistake and to try different things on this program. Next mission. Two curves. Steering to 5. 21,000 tips. Alright, let's check what we got. Yes, I don't think that's right. Let's try to put in 10 because we want it tighter. Let's see what we get. And done. Next mission. Now this other one I did something a little different. So I picked my motors, but I noticed I had these left motors and right motors and stuff, so I want to try those. So if we try our right motor and say that that's on full blast, then we do our left motor and a little bit less. And I think that's going to cause it to turn around to the left. Let's see. And you can experiment with the different features and functions. Even if we haven't gone over them, throw something up there and try it once in a while. We can do this. So we know we got to drive. We know we need to change its steering. Get our data block. What do you think? I'm feeling like a 5 on this curve. What do you think? Let's check it. Good. Next one. All right, you're going backwards. So let's change it to backwards. And for our steering, let's say 10. Excuse me. Oh, nearly. Wrong way. Let's try a -10 for that. Nice. Set steering, get our data block, we're backing up, and we went with a -10, let's go with a 10. Perfect. Next one. See how easy these are when you've worked them 5 or 6 times? Closer to 0 the steering value, the wider the turn. Complete the mission, put stuff in the right order. Tips, okay. So we're gonna probably drive forward. Let's hit this one first. So it's gonna head off to the right, and then I think we'll head to the left. And you can zoom out with your mouse, roller wheel. And then we're going to drive forward. I think that's going to be a straightaway. See what we got. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Next one. So we're going forward, speed, over to the right, so we'll pick 10. How far? Let's say, I don't know, 2 seconds. And we're going to drive backwards. I think I'll do it. Let's check. Nope, did not pull up far enough. Let's change it 2500. Good. Next. We can do this. Alright, now let's start driving. Probably going to need some steering. Need our data point. So if we're going to the left, we'll say -10. And then we need to drive for a given amount of time. So we're going to wait 1 second. That looks good to me. Then we're going to drive again over to the other side. Add the steering. And we'll we'll say that's to the positive 10. Alright, let's see what we get. Close, but no cigar. Let's change it to 1500. So a second and a half instead of a second. Looks good. Great job, Coder Z. Next one, smart blocks. Robot turn 90 degrees right, like magic. So smart blocks are like a little subroutine or a function. They allow you to set up a series of code that's going to do a given feature or a given set of instructions that you're going to repeat typically multiple times. So that way you can condense your code down into these little subroutine or these little smart blocks as they call it. So if you click right there, it'll show you what it does. So this smart block does drive power 15, so fairly slow, duration of 1750, with the steering of 100. That's going to give us a perfect 90-degree angle. So whenever we say right turn, it's going to do this stuff in place of that. Alright, let's add a drive, it says. Alright, let's see. Nice. Want to do the same thing, but we're going to figure out how to import that smart block. It was already available to us. We're going to go up here, click the thing, and then click on import. Go here, turn on our right turn, and then import. I kept clicking over here at the plus at one point, and it kept screwing me up, so I'd click over on this side. Hopefully it'll work. Alright, looks good. So we can come down to smart blocks, call right. So we know what that's going to do. It's going to call that subroutine or function that's going to turn it right, and then we're going to drive. And that does it for basic navigation 2. Thanks for watching.